kids, now that you are home 24/7, guess what? Load the dishwasher. In case you don't know how to do that, kiddos, my children are here to demonstrate how to load a dishwasher. Here is the traditional approach to loading the dishwasher. Rinse off your item and then load. Successful. So here is another approach, the lazy lady approach, or the cozy comfy approach to loading the dishwasher. Or if you're like, I'm bored, problem solved. We won't let you be bored anymore. We've solved that. Just find your children sitting upside down doing headstands all the time. Well, don't let that slow them down. They can still load the dishwasher doing their headstand. Thank goodness those are going to be cleaned. I don't want to know what's going on those feet and going on my dishes. See? And then there's the stealth approach, where you want to surprise your parents and load the dishwashers, but they don't even know you're around. They didn't even see you do it because you're so quiet. You camouflage yourself to the point that they didn't even realize you were around to load the dishwasher. It is done so quietly. See, no one sees you loading the dishwasher. This again is the camel stealth approach. Good job.
Has anyone seen Haley?
Ever had it where your children fight over who's going to do which layer in the dishwasher?
FBI, open up! I called the town! Too bad! I got there first! I called the town!
Come load the dishes. Here is the rush and get it done approach, because there are more important things to do. And this is the assassin credit. It's where that one child was supposed to load the dishwasher and the other one did it for them. And the other one still wants to take the credit for it. There is the hoverboard approach to loading the dishwasher. Whatever it takes to get the dishes done, they will be done. We have our typical teenage middle school approach, where they always have to have their cell phone in tow with their earbuds in, and they're isolated, secluded in their own little world of trying to listen to their very important music. But man, can they be productive.
Ari, where's my leftover chicken nuggets? Ari!
Again, not distracted.
Axel, Rachel.
This is the Animal Assistance Program. That other approach, when you have one dish left and you're trying to figure out how you're going to make it fit. It's that last dish and you really want to start the dishwasher. What are you going to do? It's the I'm going to make it fit approach.
Because it will fit! Ah!
With a love dishwasher approach. As you're emptying the dishwasher,